What is up, guys? In today's video, we're back with some Pokemon. Now, Saksham, if you're out there, you told me come back with some Pokemon. I'm here. Let's go. Pokemon 3 packs. And I found a QR code. It's a white one, 2 white and green. Go get you some free Pokemon. I'm sneezing. Wait. Alright. I had to tell you before. Alright. First pack, we'll do... I think it's called Calyrex. I'm probably mispronouncing it. I'll open it up. Here is the pack with the Moltres on the front. Want to cut any cards? You cut on the very slim of the very top, and you won't cut any cards. Alrighty, get this show on the road. White and green code card. Go get yourself some free Pokemon. 1, 2, 3, 4. To the front. Let's get it. Got a Stone Energy, Peony, Whirlipede, Crushing Gloves, Sawball. Oh, bro, look at those. This looks so quiet. Ladybee, Skywolvet, Crab Brawler, Grookey. We see something up there. Dino. Oh my god. 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 It's freaking full up. It's freaking full up. Diatree Hill and 168. Oh, okay, it's a full art 168 with 198. See that, guys, right there, bottom right, bottom left. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. And a Galarian Rapidash V full art, alternate art. Oh my goodness. It's an alt art too. Ah! Oh my gosh. Folks, 168 over 189, and it has star. Galarian Rapidash V alternate art. Ooh. Jeez, those colors are beautiful. Shout out to Saksham with that. That's for you. With the bring back the Pokemon. Gotta bring it back. Galarian Rapidash V alternate art. Full art. Let's go. Alright. Now we got the Zapdos pack. That is ridiculous, bro. Full art. Shout out to Saksham, bro. Better comment if it lets it. I don't know. It might not. Next pack, we got the Articuno on the front. Bro, it. See, sometimes when I cut 2s in, it doesn't cut. Oh, there. Okay. So, let's get this second pack on the road. Go get yourself some free Pokemon. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Put him in. That card right there could be an insane card, hopefully. It is one. So we'll start with a Water Energy, Impact Energy. Ooh, Impact Energy. That's kind of cool. Porygon 2, Thwackey, Clobbus, Marip, Ralt, Castform, Rainy Form, Snover, Ampharos, Ampharos in a V card. 80 out of 190. So this is a V card. It looks... Oh, it's a Zapdos. It's a Zapdos. 3, 2, 1. Zapdos! Galarian Zapdos V! Let's go! Zapdos. A beautiful Pokemon. We all love Zapdos, but right now we are highlighting the Galarian Rapidash V. I need to get a sleeve for that. I'll get that after the video ends. Saksham pulling through. Saksham. Yeah, you told me gotta get the Pokemon going. So, this one for you. Shout out to my parents for getting these for me for my birthday. Chillin' Rain, last pack of the video. Can we go 3 for 3? So far we are 2 for 2. This is a cracked opening. Go get yourself some free Pokemon. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. This better be. Couldn't we go 3 for 3? Be good, be good. Right here. I'm going to do some magic. Bang. It's good. I'm telling you. Alright, Leaf Energy. Brawly. Focus the camera. There we go. It's not focusing. There we go. Clara. Haunter. Aaron. Deerling. Delibird. Larvesta. Mareep. Inke. And no. Ow! Oh my goodness, folks. We are 3 for 3 on these packs. These packs are cracked. Oh my gosh. 3, 2, 1. And a Zerora V. Let's go. 3 for 3. Yo, look at that. Look at that lightning. 3 for 3. Let's go. So, let's do a little recap. Let's get this recap going. So, we had a Zerora V, a Galarian Zapdos V, and the Galarian Rapidash V alternate art. Folks, that is 3 for 3 on the packs. I will see you in the next video. Peace.